We can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. Yeah, I wave goodbye to my old life. Been reaching for some new heights. My baby there the whole time, and it feels right. You by my side. I'm out on body and Clyde. I need my partner in crime, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. Miles still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this ride wherever it goes, as long as you're with me. I feel at home. Can you tell me why? 'Cause I wanna know. As long as you're with me, I feel at home. I set my mark right on your heart. One moves I got me this far. Now I don't wanna restart. If things get hard and time left scars, still there before you are. Still shining through the whole dark, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. I'm still ahead of me and I don't have a clue right now. But we can take this ride wherever it goes.
Hi everyone, it's Ray from Raw Adventure. Back at it again, you know. Today I'll be going to a car show, a vintage car show in Brackley Point driving theater. So I've hearing about this show for a few years now, but it's my first time going to the show. So I wanted to just come along. You know, I know it will be an enjoyable day. So I want you to just tune in and come along with me today. And if you are new to the channel, I want you to just hit that subscribe button, you know, and let's just hit the road. Alright, let's go. Woo! find ourselves parking now.
Here.
How much is it?
$10.
10? Oh,
Two.
sorry, I didn't even
All the
realize
way
that.
right.
All the way right. Thanks.
I'll be back.
Ako tayo mo lang. Hindi ko tayo maintain na lang po. Barkuhan.
All the way right. So much camera. Yeah, man, this is it. Yeah, man, I always hear about this car show. This is my first time. Let's see, you know?
We got physical copies here available. You can get our music on the streaming platform. We've got a brand new CD coming out. First of June, first week of June, we got our
Yeah, what's that?
16 months.
Yeah.
I'm going to play out here for you right now. Songs up for you.
Such a nice car.
You're going to be familiar with some of these.
My first card.
Thank you for having us here today. We appreciate it. A lot of nice cars out there. I don't know how you pick a winner. I think you're all winners. And this song's called Master Mix.
Yeah, such a nice car. a Supra.
Same engine as BMW and Ford.
No, and about music playing over there. Yeah. Although it's a show, really.
A bunch of here.
Zoom is out there. Out. Next way. That's a nice show, you know? What's this now? 1927.
Oh, yeah.
1927.
29.
Sorry, 29. 29.
He's the owner for this.
Yeah.
It's nice. Yeah.
For real. So how long have you owned this car?
I got it in 2009. It took me about 10 years to put together, and ever since then, yeah, I've been on the road for 5 years now.
5 years. All right, thanks. So
Gavin? Yeah, no, it's flipped 3 times. I've been watching it. It's flipped 3 times. Yep. Yeah, it was rain, then it was calling for a nice day, and then it went back to 30% chance of showers, and then it flipped again to 5.
Well, I don't know much about old cars, but Trans Am.
Happy to say turn it. Let it put up.
Either way. That's 1941. So you like it so far, Beth?
Not really bad car over here. Yeah, bad car, not a bad day here. Not really.
Yeah, like. I really see nothing. I've seen nicer cars on the road.
Yeah, I not no wow. This car is from what, 14? No, 41. Year 41. 28.
I may do that someday.
28. Yep.
Oh, okay. A lot of people want this type of, they call it patina.
Okay. Yeah. So it's so when you were bringing this from Calgary, you were going 104, 110. I
That's a moderate front end underneath.
Okay.
And a 350. So yeah, you could go there.
I wasn't so sure for the end of the work about
60 miles an hour. So really well.
Yeah.
Headed up to 70 miles an hour a few times.
And that's when it started sucking out the tequila.
Made it, not too much. Actually, it's not bad. I drove through northern Ontario going down mountains and that or down.
Yeah.
I just take my foot off the, it's a 3-speed standard, so I didn't have to press the brakes. The other one you did.
Take me wala to mini ano. This. Beach Grove.
Let me just repair school.
Yeah.
Wouldn't she, buddy? She'd look good behind you.
Yeah, definitely.
This song's on our brand new album.
From 1962?
Yes.
It's almost 1962. It's older than I am.
Yeah.
No, I'm not lying either.
How long you have it?
What?
How long since you have the car?
4 years.
Oh, 4 years. Yeah.
Came to North Carolina, they spray undercoat on them. Whatever it is, it's all under the bottom and everything.
I know Z-Bart was a big thing back in the 60s. Father had a...
All right, thank you. That's Chevy.
Church on that kind of for a mother.
Maybe.
Margaret Wilson. Is it?
Here.
Is it there?
Oh. yeah, man. No, what's that? The Mercedes Benz, man. The Challenger, eh?
That's out for a new album. It's going to be the first week in June. It's called Nothing at All. And if anybody's looking, we get hats, we got shirts, we got CDs of our first album here. Anyway, we sold some really
Chevy
good,
look nice.
appreciate it. It keeps us going. We invest everything we make, we invest it back into our group. Switch guitars here, we played them in soccer. This song here for you. I don't mess the words up. I don't perform in a lot of stuff. And I'm one of them guys. I'm old school. I don't put a tablet in front of me. I don't read off a book. I just try to wing it, man. I do 4-hour shows. White gloves, he's looking sharp and looking for love. They come running just as fast as they can, 'cause every girl's crazy about a sharp dressed man. They come running just as fast as they can, 'cause every girl's crazy about a sharp dressed man. This is on our brand new album, and our producer was driving around in the car cruising the other night, and we're playing a show at Summerside at Silver Fox, and we get this message. He goes, "Your song's just mastered." And I don't know, hopefully he's right. He's like, "This song's fire, you guys." So I hope that's a good thing. This is our song called Last Call. No expectations, no goals, dying dreams, they down. Come on down where the fear is nice and cold, where the Saturday nights in we're out of control, where the Saturday nights in we're out of control. Grab your friends, fly around. We're gonna shake it to the ground. Come on down, we'll take it nice and slow. With the Saturday nights in we're out of control. Where the Saturday nights in we're out of control. Last call for alcohol. Last call for alcohol.
Yeah, man, so we're leaving the car show now. But this Hummer catch my eye. This is a Hummer? A GMC made Hummer? I didn't even know.
Try this way, man.
GMC Hummer. Okay. It's a beautiful day today though. Sun is shining and everything. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. So until another adventure, peace.
We can take this ride wherever there the whole time, and it feels right. You by my side, I'm out on body and Clyde. I need my partner in crime, yeah. Sometimes you can't even see what's right in front of you. Life gets the best of me, I don't know what to do. Miles still ahead